The shift to cloud is a change that is generational. It's a really big deal.
I'm a trusted advisor in the cloud computing space.
Being a cloud partner to me means providing more value to my customers.
You know, the way IT spend happens is changing dramatically. It's changing to an as-a-service model.
We are changing the conversation. Instead of it being about price, it is about a strategy.
And I enjoy working with enterprise IT organizations to help them identify cloud strategies.
It gives us access to IT spend that none of us ever had access to before.
It helps us capitalize on revenue from a number of different streams within our customer base.
This is an exciting time to be a channel partner. Cloud is a paradigm shift. It represents so much incredible opportunity for all of us.
My name's Manon Bettner.
I'm Andrew Pryfogle.
I'm Joe Peterson.
I'm Jeff Stegman.
And I'm a cloud partner.